Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming project units and scene scale so camera behavior matches assets. Open the outliner and the cameras menu to keep things organized, then create a new camera via Create Cameras camera. Once done, rename the camera for clarity and enable its display in the viewport. This first camera is your anchor. Setting units and naming prevents future confusion and keeps keyframes and rig constraints consistent across shots. With the camera created, you adjust transforms to frame your subject. Select it, then edit, translate, and rotate in the channel box to position. Next, use the viewport's camera view to refine composition and tweak the camera attribute editor for focal length and film gate. These change perspective and field of view. Make small iterative moves and use the dolly and orbit tools to test motion. These steps control both how the scene reads and how lenses will affect depth and distortion. To finish, parent or constrain the camera to a rig or locator if it needs to follow animation, then set keyframes or bake the motion so it exports predictably. Lock unused channels and organize the camera into a display layer to avoid accidental edits. If something goes wrong, reset camera transforms, toggle visibility and isolation modes, and verify clip plane settings. Many framing issues come from far/near clip or hidden constraints. These checks get your camera shot ready and stable for rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.